the same time, I am His Excellency's spouse, and I don't apologize about that. And there is nothing wrong in being married to His Excellency. There's no crime there. The next thing, the fact that I'm married to him does not make me a person without a brain. I've gone to school. I went to the university. I have a degree. I'm a professional banker. I am a mother. I am a mother, and God has given me the joy of also serving the people. And therefore, when you see me standing and speaking, it's because I have a good husband who supports my vision and believes in me. I also believe in him. Let me tell you, if you are a man or a woman and your family can stand behind you and speak good things about you, then you are good. It is very hard to find children supporting and saying their father is good, or a wife saying the husband is good, or the husband saying their wife is good, unless maybe they are lying. But when it is true, and this one is true, you can see many people are out there speaking about this relationship.